If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can enter and save transactions to use later in Sage 50 Accounting. These types of transactions are called memorized transactions. Sage 50 Accounting can memorize and save quotes, sales invoices, purchase orders, payments, and general journal entries you make frequently, so you can use them again without retyping them. When you use a memorized transaction, you can still edit its information so it applies to the particular situation. This lets them be flexible while still saving typing time. You create memorized transactions by type within the corresponding Maintain Memorized Transaction Type window, where transaction type is the type of memorized transaction form. To create new memorized transactions in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain Memorized Transactions from the menu bar. Then click the type of memorized transaction to create from the side menu that appears. To create a new memorized transaction of the selected type, if needed, click the New button in the Windows toolbar. Next, enter the information you want to appear whenever you select the transaction in the future. You do not need to enter information into every field. Only enter the information you want to appear by default in the future. You will need to enter information each time you use the transaction later to enter values into fields like the invoice number and date, for example. After creating the memorized transaction, click the Save button in the Windows toolbar to save it. To use the memorized transaction in the future, open the task window for the type of memorized transaction you created, like the sales invoicing screen for memorized invoices, for example. Within the task window, click the drop-down button next to the List button in the toolbar at the top of the window. Then click the Select button in the drop-down menu that appears. Sage 50 then shows the memorized transactions you created in the Select Memorized Transaction dialog box. Select the memorized transaction to use in this dialog box, and then click the OK button. The information from the selected memorized transaction then appears in the task window. You then just need to enter any unique information required to complete the transaction, and then click the Save button in the Task Windows toolbar to save it. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.